Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make Quest cookies. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 scoop of your favorite Quest protein powder, about 1/4 cup of almond flour, and 2 tablespoons of a low-carb sweetener. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of melted butter or coconut oil, 1 egg, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a tiny pinch of salt. These simple items are the foundation for delicious, guilt-free treats. Now let's get mixing. In a medium bowl, combine your Quest protein powder, almond flour, sweetener, baking soda, and salt. Whisk these dry ingredients together until they are fully incorporated. In a separate small bowl, whisk your melted butter or coconut oil, egg, and vanilla extract. Then, slowly pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients, stirring until a thick, uniform dough forms. It should be easy to handle. It's time to bake. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Take your cookie dough and roll it into small, 1-inch balls. Place them on the prepared baking sheet, leaving about 2 inches between each. Gently flatten each ball with the back of a spoon or your fingers to create a cookie shape. Bake for approximately 8 to 10 minutes or until the edges are lightly golden brown. Almost there. Once your cookies are out of the oven, let them cool on the baking sheet for about 5 minutes. This helps them firm up and prevents them from breaking. After this initial cooling, carefully transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. Once fully cooled, store your delicious Quest cookies in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 to 4 days. Enjoy your healthy, homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.